The merger of ESPEC North America and Qualmark Corporation created a greatly expanded product portfolio that encompasses the full range of the reliability testing spectrum, from ESPEC's line of traditional environmental testing and conditioning systems to Qualmark's accelerated stress testing chambers. As a result, ENA now represents the most complete testing solution for reliability engineers worldwide. One of the most significant aspects of the expanded portfolio is a new compressor-based version of Qualmark's patented flagship product, the Highly Accelerated Life Test, or HALT chamber. HALT chambers uncover vulnerabilities by subjecting products to overstresses and accelerating fatigue, thereby enabling engineers to identify and address product defects before they show up in the field. Traditional HALT systems incorporate direct inject liquid nitrogen cooling to achieve faster ramp rates and accelerated testing. Their use may not always be feasible, however, as creating the infrastructure for liquid nitrogen to be deployed can be cost prohibitive. Now, there may also be obstacles of stringent environmental regulations or local building codes in areas such as Europe and California. That's why the new mechanical HALT system, a hybrid chamber that assimilates Qualmark's proven repetitive shock vibration table into ESPEC's mechanical refrigeration chamber technology, is so significant. The new system can be used without liquid nitrogen, opening up many more potential applications. It is capable of basic HALT testing at a temperature range of -70 to 180 degrees Celsius, with change rates as high as 15 degrees Celsius per minute. In addition, the liquid nitrogen injection system capable of rapid thermal ramps is available as an optional add-on to the mechanical HALT chamber. The expanded portfolio also includes two new additions to ESPEC's Qualmark Typhoon line of multifunction chambers, which can perform HALT applications as well as highly accelerated stress screen, also known as HASS testing, during the production process. The Typhoon 2.5 Plus offers a vibration table size of 30 by 30 inches, in between the 24 by 24 inch table in the Typhoon 2.0 and the 36 by 36 inch table in the Typhoon 3.0, which is the accelerated stress testing industry's most popular chamber. There is also the Typhoon 2.5 Plus Inferno, part of ESPEC's series of chambers specifically designed for testing devices destined for harsh operating environments. It achieves random vibration at 6 degrees of freedom thanks to its XLF2 vibration table, the secret sauce that makes the device so powerful and effective. The Inferno series also features extreme thermal capability, from -100 to 250 degrees Celsius. Applications include durability testing for instrumentation, tools, and electronics destined for use in oil and gas exploration. It can also be used to test on-engine automotive electronics. Also worthy of note in the expanded portfolio are the Qualmark HALT chamber, an entry-level HALT system that offers both portability and Ethernet and Wi-Fi functionality for remote monitoring. ESPEC's highly accelerated stress test, or HAST chambers, which are designed to speed up humidity testing for semiconductors and other devices that traditionally employ 8585 validation testing. This chamber performs equivalent testing that dramatically reduces the time required by factors of 100 or more. And also the Qualmark Q-Fusion, a HASS system that offers the option for performing a traditional burn-in process at an accelerated rate. The Q-Fusion is especially appropriate for original equipment manufacturers and original design manufacturers in a variety of industries, including automotive, avionics, consumer electronics, defense, medical, oil and gas exploration, renewable energy, and telecommunications. ENA's expanded product portfolio offers a full range of systems designed to ensure quality and reliability throughout the life cycle of practically any electronic or electromechanical product, with applications in nearly every industry. The merger of two leaders in reliability testing represents a complete testing solution that underscores ESPEC's slogan, "Quality is more than a word."